Have you gotten suspended on Amazon for document manipulation? If you have, you're not the only one, because we recently got one of our clients reinstated for document manipulation. If you stay towards the end of the video, I'm also going to be giving you a secret tip on what we did to get reinstated for our client. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So you're doing business on Amazon and boom, you're hit with a suspension randomly out of nowhere, and it says something like this. Why is this happening? You have supplied documentation to Amazon which appears to be forged or manipulated. And this has been happening a lot often lately. I also have this theory that Amazon has to hit a certain number of suspensions per month, and sometimes you're just a part of it. So what we're gonna do is show you how to appeal it, and step one is going to be to call Amazon seller support. So if you go to your account health button, there should be a button here that you can call them and then talk to Amazon. I fingers crossed it's here. Triple check if it's here, and there should be an account health support team. If not, you can put that in the search bar, account health support team, and see if you can call them. See, there's got all these different links they give, and you should be able to call them. When you call them, you're gonna ask them, what ASINs caused the issue? Okay, what ASINs was there a case ID that caused the issue, right? Number three, what documents do they want you to provide to get reinstated? And that's what you're going to need to figure out. And if you already submitted an appeal, you want to say, hey, why was my appeal not approved? What's going on? The account specialist will help most of the time. Bear with them. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're not as good, depending on how their day is going, unfortunately. But so I usually get to call them twice. One in the morning and then one at night, and try to get like some different reps and see how that goes. Or you can do one and then wait an hour and call another one. But let's go through the appeal. Okay, so here's the appeal that we submitted to get reinstated, and it was super difficult to get this one reinstated. It's like Amazon wanted this client to stay suspended forever, but it is what it is. So what we did is we did Dear Amazon Performance Team. It's been 60 days, so it took them 60 days to get reinstated. This is what happened. This is kind of like a little synopsis in the beginning. So that's what it is. Before we did the root cause, we kind of did a whole little synopsis, just in case Amazon's too lazy and doesn't want to read the full appeal. We kind of like, look, this is what happened. Okay, next is then we put the root cause. So the root cause is the manufacturer gave us documents, and then the third-party testing facility said they were fake, and then they were like, oops, they're not fake, stuff like that. Pretty messy. But anyway, we kind of had to explain that to them and put that here with the ASIN. We also attached the GMP certificate. If you're selling supplements, this was a supplement too. GMP certificate, COA of all compounds. So anything that you have regarding your product to show that like you actually own it, that it is authentic, put that all in one PDF. Put all of your invoices in another PDF. We also put the manufacturer's certifications, good practice, yada yada, all that fun stuff. The third-party testing facility certifications, and then kind of what we did to get it reinstated. So here we go. I called the Rocks, and then here's the other third card company to verify what happened. Because they have thousands of clients ordering, Amazon emailed them. They thought it was fake. They realized that it wasn't fake. They messed up. And then they gave us a letter. So we asked the manufacturer, yo, like our products are real, right? Yeah, they're real. Amazon, we want a written letter and we want it hand signed. And they were like, no, we don't want to do that. It's too much work, or Amazon, all this liability-ish. So then what we did is we continued to hound them, and then we kind of finally got 2 documents that said that everything was real, they made a mistake, and it was hand signed by the manufacturer. And we had one signed by the third-party testing facility. One of them was digitally signed and it still worked, but that's kind of what we did, and we applied proof. So it's a very long plan of action, as you can see. So again, we also double-checked Amazon's policies, that everything was authentic, everything's meeting Amazon standards. We also applied all photos of the actual products to show that I had them in hand, and then you put your hand in the products and take pictures of all sides of it, put that into a PDF, and how we don't trust the manufacturer anymore and all that fun stuff. So that helped us get reinstated. And of course, I'm going to be giving you a little list of things that we submitted to get this reinstated. So we had a case log. I looked at it like 2 years ago, and Amazon said that the product was authentic. They're like, thank you so much, this is great. They literally said the product was authentic, the documents are approved, and I took a screenshot of that from 2 years ago, and we used that as evidence. Next is invoices. We put all the invoices in a PDF. Next is a certificate of analysis. Since it was a supplement, the manufacturer has testing, so ask the manufacturer for testing on your item, and they should have like certificates from a third-party testing facility or something. And then emails from the manufacturer saying everything's legit, so you are emailing back and forth with the manufacturer. Of course, it's good to have written, and we explain the situation. We're like, hey, like, is this legit? Like, is everything, did you manipulate any documents? What happened here? Stuff like that. And we had the manufacturer saying, oh no, nothing was manipulated, everything is authentic. Next, the third-party testing facility, contacted them, was anything manipulated? They said no. They said that they made a mistake. There was too many Amazon emails or something like that. And then we had the third-party testing documents that showed that our product has been approved by the third-party testing facility. Then we got a letter from the manufacturer saying that everything is authentic. And then we got a letter from the third-party testing facility that said everything is authentic, and they initially made a mistake. So it's on the third-party testing facility that said they initially made a mistake. And then the secret tip for staying is going to be the escalation. So this appeal did not get approved. Okay, Amazon wouldn't let us call anymore. Amazon wouldn't let us email anymore. And I knew that this appeal was spot on. So what we did is we escalated the issue to these people. We escalated and we said, hey, look, our Amazon account, here, look, this is what we said. Oh, here we go. Dear Amazon escalations team, I am writing to request assistance to resolve this issue. Here's the issue. I substantiate my claim. Here's my merchant ID. I did it from the same admin email that the client uses. Then we submitted them one by one to each and every person in this list. In one day, the whole account was reinstated. So the appeal was very good. It's just that Amazon was like, I'm not reviewing your appeals anymore, because I think we were on appeal number 3, 4, or 5. It was at least 3. And then Amazon just stopped letting us call. They kind of like blocked the account, so they weren't reviewing any of our appeals. That's when we emailed Amazon and we're like, you can't keep doing this. Like, we went and got actual letters, man. And then they got us reinstated. So I hope that helps you in your reinstatement process. And if you do need help with reinstatement, feel free to contact EHP Consulting Group. If you did learn something in today's video, please like the video. And if you are interested in more ways to help you sell and dominate Amazon, be sure to subscribe. Talk to you soon.